We had a severe windstorm last couple of days and have a lot of downed limbs. Now it's a perfect opportunity to use my little mini handheld chainsaw from Sacred Tools. We're good to go. Comes with 2 batteries. A little tool to take the blade off. Sharpens really easy. You can see this tree here, this cherry tree. It's leaning. It wasn't because of the storm. That one's leaning, has been leaning for quite a few years now. It's a big straight cherry tree. I wouldn't mind taking it down and salvaging the wood, but that's for another day entirely. This is part of that cherry tree here. It's about a 2.5, maybe 3-inch limb. Goes right through. That's hardwood. You can see the solid all the way through. It's a good little saw. I really like it. Some of this stuff is too big for me to pick up and put in the burn pile. I have to use the mini excavator. Mostly this little stuff. Let me show you the different types of moss and things that we have that grow around here. This stuff right here, I'll put the name of it up. I'm not sure exactly what the name of this moss is. You can see the color is a lighter green. I like this moss. I think it's pretty cool looking. This one here is sphagnum moss. We find that all over. It grows really thick on trees. You can see in the background on some of these trees, like up in here in this little area, it's growing on those trees. It grows pretty thick. This stuff here is not a moss, it's a lichen. See if I can get that in there for you. That's a lichen. Here's some lichen here. It grows very thin, attaches itself to dead wood or sticks, twigs. But yeah, just wanted to show you what grows. I really like this stuff. I think it's cool. Wispy. We're gonna go dump this load. There's my burn pile, just dumped it. I got some cedar ends in there from this log. I'm trying to cut this log. I've done a video on this before, so I don't need to do another one, but I don't know if this one will turn out to be any good. Down the bottom here, it looks like there's looks like some rotten areas. So I might just not use it. This tree here, it's hemlock, came off of here. It was a blowdown. You can see that guy right there. It blew down, and I picked it up with the mini excavator and cut it up a little bit for the neighbor man. And more limbs that have to be put into the pile. I'm not burning today. It's kind of a windy day. I don't need to burn. I got a lot of stuff to do. I don't need to burn pumpkins. So yeah, that's it for us today. We're just gonna pick up some limbs and debris. Hope you have a good day. We'll see you later.